Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Keto in the Chaos. My name is Tammy, and this is an episode of What to Eat Wednesday. I hope you guys don't mind me putting these out two right in a row. I missed it last week, and I wanted to make sure you guys were able to see everything I've been eating on my current deficit. So I am going to go ahead and put them both out today if I get them done. I hope so. Anyway, this is my way of motivating myself to get them done. So I hope that you guys don't mind two in a row. And if so, well, you know, it is what it is. I try and do the best that I can. Let's get on to the food. Hello everyone, it's Wednesday. Welcome back to another What to Eat Wednesday. This is my typical breakfast. I eat this pretty much every single day. 2 fried eggs, 1 ounce of cheese. This one is pizza blend cheese. Yes, I am counting for the carbs because it is pre-shredded. 40 grams of center cut bacon, 1 cup of 0% FDOE Greek yogurt sweetened with Mio water enhancer. Today it's orange vanilla. And 1 cup of throat coat herbal tea sweetened with stevia and a little half and half. And that is going to be my first meal of the day. All right, everyone, I'm finally home from dance. It's been a crazy day. We lost our keys. I had to leave my van. I don't know what I'm doing tomorrow, but finally making myself some food. And we don't have any veggies in the house, so don't give me a hard time about that. So I am having a 6-ounce sirloin steak, 2 ounces of cheese, and 5 pepperonis, and that is going to be my last meal of the day. Hello everyone, it's Thursday, and this is my first meal of the day, same as every day, except for I added 2 pepperonis to my cheese. So I have 40 grams of center cut bacon, 2 fried eggs, 1 ounce of pizza blend cheese with 2 pieces of pepperoni, and a cup of 0% FDOE Greek yogurt sweetened with orange vanilla Mio, and that's going to be my first meal of the day. Okay, so that steak was pretty lean and also really small, so I decided I needed more food. So we stopped over at the gas station and got this stuff. It's probably going to put me over my macros. I'm not super able to track what I ate because I have no idea how big it was because on the menu it didn't say. So we were just lucky, I think, if it didn't have too many carbs. But we're, you know, in a hotel room tonight, so that's what I'm doing.
712-0710.
Hello everyone. It is Friday night and I am having a good old standby zucchini alfredo with chicken. And so I have 5 ounces of chicken breast, 2 ounces of provolone cheese, a cup of zucchini noodles, and a half a cup of ragu alfredo sauce. And that's going to be my last meal of the day. Good Saturday morning, everyone. I'm having my typical breakfast. 2 eggs, 40 grams of center cut bacon, 1 ounce of pizza cheese that's fried in a pan, 1 cup of 0% FDOE Greek yogurt sweetened with orange vanilla Mio. I'm heading out the door, and that's going to be my first meal of the day. Hey everyone, and it is Saturday night, and this is going to be my last meal of the day. I'm just having a 6-ounce sirloin steak and a little pizza made with cheese and pepperoni. And that's going to be my last meal of the day. Happy Sunday, everyone. This is what I have for my first meal of the day. I just have 2 fried eggs, 40 grams of center cut bacon, and 1 ounce of pizza cheese fried in a pan. We discovered just now that I am out of yogurt, which is extremely distressing because I'm going to be out all day. So I don't know if I will end up videotaping it, but I am sending Dave to go grab some yogurt. Either that or I might have to stop on the way and grab a 20-gram protein bar in order to meet my protein needs for the day. So that's, fun. I should have remembered yesterday, but I was so busy I forgot to tell Dave that we were out. So, yeah. That's going to be my first meal of the day. Hello everyone, it's Monday and I am having my typical breakfast. 40 grams of center cut bacon, 1 ounce of fried cheese. It's I think Dave made it. I'm not sure which one it is. Probably cheddar. 2 eggs and 1 cup of 0% FDOE Greek yogurt sweetened with, I think it's something pomegranate Mio. I'm not sure. Dave made it. Anyway, that's going to be my first meal of the day. Hello everyone. Happy Monday. This is going to be my last meal of the day. I'm having a 5-ounce sirloin steak and a 2 ounces of cheese with various amounts of pepperoni. How many is that? 7? I think pepperonis. And that is going to be my last meal of the day. Hello everyone, it's Tuesday and this is my first meal of the day. I bet you can't guess what it is. 2 fried eggs, 1 ounce of cheddar cheese, and actually I do have something surprising in this time because I put a couple of pepperonis in my cheese. So it's kind of like a mini pizza. And 40 grams of center cut bacon, 1 cup of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with lemonade meal, and a cup of Creo brew. I think I showed that in this video already. If not, check it out, criobru.com, with a little bit of heavy whipping cream and stevia. And that's gonna be my first meal of the day. All right, everyone, it is Tuesday night, and this is what I'm having for my last meal of the day. I have 160 grams of cauliflower rice, topped with 6 ounces of chicken breast, mixed with onions and some tomato. I'm not exactly sure how Dave makes it. 1/6 of a cup of peas. It's basically like a curry that he makes. And that is gonna be my last meal of the day. So there you have it, everything I ate in the last 7 days on a ketogenic way of eating. I hope that you got some great ideas for your own keto meal plan. Don't forget to join us over on Facebook for support and for more ideas on how you can get started on your own weight loss journey. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. We'll talk to you again soon.